Xiaomi recently confirmed that it will hold a launch event on March 2nd to unveil the Xiaomi 15 series for the global market. While the brand is gearing up for the 15 series global launch, the rumor mill has already started leaking details about the Xiaomi 16 series. A new leak by Tipster Digital Chat Station talks about the Xiaomi 16 Pro's display design and specifications. The 16 Pro will sport a flat-screen design with ultra-thin, uniform bezels. It will be a massive 6.85-inch LTPO OLED panel that offers a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This advancement is expected to surpass the bezel control of Apple's iPhone 16 Pro models, which currently have side bezels measuring 1.44mm and top and bottom bezels at 1.41mm. The Xiaomi 16 Pro debut